Hello, good afternoon, everyone. How are you doing all? And this is gooseberry pickle. Nowadays, in this season, we get so many gooseberries. I have tried it's my own method. Fantastic it is. Very, very delicious. Kindly try this one. Okay, when you have time. For 250 grams of the pickle, they are giving pav kg, we say. 12 gooseberry I'm getting. I tried with half kg. Okay, I took 24 gooseberry and that is amla. I added 200 grams of cooking oil. Now listen, don't keep in high flame or medium flame, only low flame from the beginning. Take a pan, add 100 grams of cooking oil. I took sunflower, regular Saffola sunflower oil. Okay, and 24 gooseberry, fresh gooseberry is important. If they are little postponed, no, it will take difficult. It won't be that tasty. Kindly check for the freshness. Okay, that is important. And I just kept only on low flame from the beginning. That is also very, very important. If you boil the oil, it will turn the gooseberry to dark brown or black color. Don't do like that. We need to steam them in the oil. However, you steam the vegetables, no, with water. We are steaming with the oil by keeping the lid so that the color should not change. I don't want it to be dark brown or black color. Just keep them light green in that way. Very light tinge of golden brown color so that when you catch them, it will be soft after 15 minutes. In between, you need to check 1 2 times. Once you pull the gooseberry, if you touch them, if you press that gooseberry, it will come into layers and it will be very, very soft to touch. That is step 1. Meanwhile, step 2, on another stove, take 1 cup of imli, that is 60 grams or 50 grams, that is tamarind, and you need to add 1.5 cup of water, not more. 1.5 cup of water is enough. Keep the lid immediately and keep on medium flame or high flame so that the tamarind gets softer, and remove seeds if you have any in that. I don't want tamarind paste because it is mixed with the vinegar. That taste you will not get it. So try with tamarind but check it is organic. Why I am saying organic is the tamarind should be very sour in taste. If I say 50 grams, already the bitter taste will be there in the gooseberry amla. That should balance with the tamarind sourness. If the tamarind is not fine quality, you will taste only the bitterness. You cannot have the deliciousness of the tamarind. So 50 grams I added in this way. And check fine quality of tamarind. Second step. And now third step is once cooling both, put off the stoves after 15 minutes aram se, and tamarind may take 10 minutes only, check it. Now you take a mixie jar or blender and add this cooled tamarind into that. 5 to 15 garlic, peeled garlic, I added into the mixie jar. One point here. You can check the live cooking video of this gooseberry pickle today. You can observe step by step if you have any confusion. But it is very simple. You can hear and you can make it. Take a mixie jar, take the cold part of the tamarind, add 1 by 4th spoon of haldi, that is turmeric, 5 to 15 cloves of garlic, and 5 grams of fenugreek powder, and 15 grams of mustard powder. That is, if you want 1.5 spoon of mustard powder, half spoon of fenugreek powder, like that, and 15 grams of that is 1 spoon of salt and 1.5 spoon of red chili powder. In that way, if tamarind is very sour, you can add little salt, equal ratio salt and chili powder, 15 grams, 15 grams. Okay, and in that way, if you cannot measure in the grams, take your regular teaspoon for 1 spoon of salt, 1.5 spoon of red chili powder, half spoon of fenugreek powder, and if you take 1 by 4th spoon of fenugreek powder also, no problem, because both are bitter, we cannot taste it. Mustard 1.5 spoon also delicious, and garlic 5 to 15. Just mash everything by adding half cup or 3 by 4th cup of warm water to the mixie jar so that you'll have a nice gravy for the amla chutney. Hope you understood this one. Now you remove the amla from the stove and keep it down under the fan. cool it, and then remove the amla, transfer it to the bowl. Now take a pan, and into that pan take this 100 or 120 grams oil. If you cook 20 grams, it may absorb 100 grams of cooking oil. You check in the pan. It's okay, 80 grams also, no problem. That oil you keep on the pan, add 1 by 4th spoon of thin mustard, 1 by 4th spoon of that is cumin seeds, and few curry leaves, and total content of the mixie jar into that pan, which is filled with the oil. Go on, sort it. Add the cooled gooseberry to this one. Already the gooseberry is boiled, but not. See, listen very carefully. Third step, I told you transfer that cooked oil into the pan. Okay, clear. Then mustard seeds and cumin seeds and curry leaves and that content of the mixie jar at high flame or medium flame. You can cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. First of all, that water we added, no, so that it will not collect any bacterial fungus. That rawness should go away. So 5 to 10 minutes of cooking is essential. Go on, sort it on medium flame. Keep lid if possible. Then add the gooseberry, and after 5 minutes you need to switch off the stove. Okay, keep it on the stove only, so that the bottom coil will give nice heat to the content. Why I added this gooseberry and kept 5 minutes stove on medium flame is the masala content will be absorbed by the gooseberry also. That soreness will be completely goes, it will go inside the gooseberry. And if you are in confusion, go through the live cooking method. You can fantastically understand this one. See, this season is full of gooseberries, and the next day after 9 hours you can check the aroma of the total gooseberry coming inside the pickle content. You can add little, that is what you will say, little you can add that one, uh, what I want to tell you, asafoetida. Okay, that we say hing, no, that gives a special aroma. We South Indians cook here in that way, and kindly understand and eat deliciously. Even if we prepare less or bigger, doesn't matter. Go in a nice cooking method way, logics you learn, and you can have a most delicious foods by cooking with your own hands. Homemade food is always delicious, and don't ever think that every step is not clear here. You can go through the live cooking, because see, one point, a live cooking is enjoyed by many audience, I know that one. And it will be very clear, no, it puts a great evidence, the method of cooking, how faster we cook, how carefully we are cooking. Even nowadays I am keeping the presentation part of the cooking also, so that you can understand. And every recipe is delicious what I am cooking with my hands. You can trust me because you're traveling with me in other accounts also, like Instagrams, Threads, and Pinterest and Twitter. For more than 18 months, you are traveling with me, and support me much more on YouTube. Okay, I love you all from my heart. Don't ever think nowadays I'm speaking completely in Telugu. And there is human hunger is a great emotion. It binds everyone in the same way. No region or no other race is here important. Unity in diversity. We are all one. Okay, without your blessings, I will not be up to here. And Avakai Papu Nei channel, within 18 months of time we got 13 lakh views, 3000 natural subscribers, and it is established. The channel got well established international level. It is recognized within a short period of time, and all the other states of the country are also connected with the channel with lots of love. So many people are loving the channel. That is a great pride of my channel. Thank you so much. And see, name and fame comes and goes, money comes and goes, but the standards of life remains in everybody's heart. That is very important. And gratitude is such a great word. That is, being thankful is important, however we be, wherever we be. I thank you all from my heart. I love you all from my heart. Every follower, every subscriber is in my mind and heart. I do check every day my Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and Pinterest. I don't want anybody to live with hunger, because I know the cost of living in abroad is so high, and you cannot compete with that sometimes. Don't live with hunger. That is, Avakai Papunei channel is a motherly channel. It understands the hunger of every human staying here and there. And those who are supporting and checking the channel, I thank you double the time. But those who don't support me also, they are also my children, because love only gives, love never expects anything. But it is a part and parcel of the work that I need to withstand here in the channel. I discuss about that one. Thank you who are all loving the channel. Thank you who are all traveling with me. Love you all, dear friends. Hope you are all doing well. And quality is very important than quantity of the people also. That people traveling with me are just very, very fabulous. And without you people's love, I cannot make the journey up to here. In million cooking vlogs, we are recognized means it is not a simple task. Because see, understand one thing, it is not that bigger and greater things are important. It is very good quality of the things are much more important. Thank you. Love you all.